Hello everyone, today we introduce some basic operations of Link 3D in Panorama Image and Planar Image. First of all, create a new mapping project. Add point cloud data. Panoramic or planar menus are displayed only when the corresponding image data is added to the new project. Take panoramic image for example. After creating a new project, a 3D window and a panorama window will be opened. The point cloud data will be displayed in both the 3D window and the panorama window, and the panorama image will be displayed only in the panorama window. Firstly, you can click Settings to set the positioning method, interpolation and rendezvous parameters and camera exposure point, choose to turn on or off the field of view, display the model and other display settings in its dialog box. When switching photos in the panorama window via the next frame, previous frame or auto roam buttons on the panorama menu page, the 3D window will also move following the switching of the current frame. Or by selecting the frame function and tapping anywhere in the 3D window, the panorama window will jump to the position of the nearest photo by default. In this state, the rotation and panning operations of 3D window and panorama window are independent of each other, and the viewpoints of the two windows may not be identical. When we check the Link 3D control in the Show or Hide group of the Panorama page, we can see that the 3D window and the Panorama window will display the same position and the same viewpoint of the scene, and the rotation and panning of the two windows are synchronized and linked. The use of Link 3D in planar image is basically the same as that of Panorama image. When you switch between photos in the planar image window by clicking on the next frame, previous frame, or auto roam buttons, the 3D window will also move with the current frame. Similarly, by selecting the frame function and tapping anywhere in the 3D window, the flat window will jump to the position of the nearest photo by default. After checking 3D linkage, the 3D window and the panorama window in the current state will show the scene in the same position and under the same viewpoint. This video for Link 3D is explained here. Thank you for watching.